Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Apple AirTag last 10 years. We all know people love longevity, right? Some Casio watches can go up to 10 years. Well, your Apple AirTag usually only lasts 1 year, but there's a new device. It's called the AirTag 10-year battery. So what it is it's not that they come up with a battery that you can put in here for 10 years, but what happened is here is an enclosure that you can put your AirTag in here, and then you use a couple of lithium batteries. These are regular Energizer 1.5 volt AA batteries. You can buy these, and this is the lithium kind, the one that lasts a very long time. And you pop these in and you put the AirTag in here and it will last 10 years. All right, so I'm gonna demonstrate how easy this is. This is one of my AirTag, and all you have to do is remove the battery. So you just twist the cap counterclockwise to release it. And then this is the old CR 2032 that is already spent. It's already gone, and all you have to do is just flip it over. It doesn't matter, you don't have to screw it in or anything like that. Just flip it over and leave it there, and then you just take your batteries and you pop it in. All right, so I'm going to turn on this one and you will hear the chirping. Ready? There you go, and you know that's working. And it should appear on your iPhone as a device, a new device that you need to pair. At the back of this is a double stick tape that is really strong and is weatherproof. You can actually stick that to anything, and there's 4 screws that it comes with, and you can actually just tighten that, and this becomes a capsule that is weatherproof, that can last up to 10 years. And you don't have to worry about it. You just hide it somewhere and you can track whatever it is that you attach this to for 10 years. All right, so if you like this video and would like to purchase this time capsule, I bought a pack of 4, and so these are the 3 more, and these are the screws for you to screw it in. Comes with instructions. I will put the link in the description for you to buy them. Using my link, I get a small commission. And this is the Energizer battery, AA, the lithium kind, and it's actually claimed to be the world's longest lasting battery. All right, so and you no longer need this CR 2032 anymore, and you don't need the cap. So those are just extra parts. After you convert your AirTag, it just lives in here from now on. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you buy these things using my link. Thank you.